Reignite the intimacy in your relationship with the help of Imago Medical Spa. Dr. Chris Barrett and Courtney Jorgensen are here to tell us more. Both of you, welcome to the show.
Thank you for having us.
We love having you here. Okay, you offer couples therapy, but it's not your typical couples therapy. What is it? What makes it different? Tell us all the things.
Yeah, this is not a talking therapy. This is our Gainswave and Femiwave therapies for basically better intimacy in couples.
Okay.
We like to call it the couples therapy everyone can agree on. So I think your viewers are kind of familiar with the Gainswave for erectile dysfunction. It's the acoustic wave therapy. A lot of guys suffer from ED. It's basically due to a lack of blood flow that happens over time.
Okay.
So the acoustic therapy basically creates new blood vessels, growth factors, and it just resolves it. So no guys should be taking pills or dealing with that. And I do want to point out for men that it's not invasive. There's no needles. There's none of that. Because guys is like,
yeah.
right?
Well, needles are scary for a lot of people. Let's be honest.
Women go through so much. They're like, whatever.
Yeah.
But guys are like, So it's fine. So we got that. But our couples therapy is unique because a lot of people don't realize that men and women lose sensitivity as they age.
Oh, okay.
And Gainswave noticed there's an increased sensitivity as kind of part of the side benefit of the ED treatment. So they came up with Femiwave, which is the same technology but for women.
Oh,
and what we do is we treat it. It increases lubrication, but it also increases sensitivity dramatically for women during intimacy.
Okay.
The phrase toes curling is often used in the follow-up of things.
There you go. That's well, you said that. So I was going to say, what have patients said about this treatment?
So a lot of the feedback that we're getting is that it just feels better. Things or different formations may not feel as good as they used to or once did, and then once they've had the treatment, everything is increased and enhanced, and it just makes everything better. And if you could make it better in a non-invasive way, why wouldn't you want to?
There you go. Okay, he pointed. He absolutely agrees. So you were featured in Maxim magazine. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so we're going to be featured this month. We're very honored to do it because we have such a great couples therapy program. Gainswave Company chose us to be featured in the magazine, so it's pretty cool.
There you go. Well, congratulations. How does your therapy benefit couples? You talked about this a little bit. Let's talk about it a little bit more.
Yeah, so I think, intimacy is a huge part of relationships, right?
Absolutely.
And I'm not going to fix everybody's relationship problems, but this part we can fix. It's a huge part. I think a lot of couples don't know this is out there, and they're not having that amazing benefit from their intimacy that they could. So this technology, it's so simple, it's so effective. Like she said, when people enjoy things better, they do it more often, they increase that, and it just has a lot of benefits. The men have a lot more confidence. It's a big part of the relationship as well. It's very cool. And it's very simple.
There you go. And really fast, what other services do you offer?
So we also have hormone therapy, which is big for women's libido and men.
Okay.
We have Forma V, which is, again, non-invasive. It's a vaginal tightening.
Okay.
Also, both of these therapies really help with the postpartum incontinence. We have a bunch of stuff. A lot.
There you go. All right. So for more information and to find out more about their services, you can head to the website and the phone number at the bottom of the screen. Chris and Courtney, thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you so much for having us.